Hi, now we are in the 5th chapter of 6, so second last topics. In this chapter, we are going to explore about the atomic structure. So in chapter 4, we have learned about Schrödinger equation in various situations, in infinite in a box, in a well, okay, and then potential barrier, and so those of them mostly it's not so it is theoretical foundation for us to understand what is happening in the real atom and molecule. So now we are going to transfer those knowledge, those theoretical foundations, in a more realistic situation, which is hydrogen. And then we extend that understanding to the another complicated structure, atom structure. All right, so what are we going to learn in this topic is 5 subtopics. First one is the Schrödinger equation in 3 dimensions, because in chapter 4 we only consider for 1 dimension only, right? In a linear form, in an x-axis, in a 1 dimension. Now we extend those to 3 dimensions so that it is more realistic, and then we will apply those the equation in a particle in a 3-dimensional box. Chapter 4 we went for particle in 1-dimensional box, right? Now we are going to the 3-dimension box. And then after that, we will continue to the hydrogen atom. It is the simplest atom, which it has 1 proton and 1 electron. So it is the simplest atom. And then we go to the Zeeman effect, where the electrons behave differently in the magnetic field. So from that, we will understand what is happening to the electron inside the atom. So from that, we know that we will have an electron spin for chapter 5.5. So electron spin. So you also maybe learn it from chemistry, right? You have an electron spin, but we want to know from where it comes from. And then after that, after we understand about the hydrogen atom, the simplest form of atom, we will move forward to atom with more many electron, because when we have more than one, of course the electron will interact each other, right? Because electron and electron, they are on negative charge, so they will interact with each other. And then we will have exclusion principle. After that, we will return back to X-ray spectra that we have learned in previous chapter, I think chapter 3, about X-ray spectra. So we want to understand it further using what we know about the nature of the electron inside an atom. Alright, so we will continue to the first Schrödinger equation in 3 dimensions.